Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the starting locations of any class or any race or just everyone. So I already started my server and started World of Warcraft. So there's this default character called Jim, but we won't use him. We start out by creating a new character, a human warrior. Let's call him Hello. As you see, when I log in, he starts at the default human starting locations, which is the Elven Forest, I think it's called. So we're going to change that. You probably won't start at the Elven Forest because you have a GM start at GMR land check. But as you see here, he starts at the default starting location for humans, and you see I have a lot of crab add-ons in the way, but we won't use that. So let's say we want him to spawn at GM Island instead. So I will write vehicle port GM Island. So you get to GM Island. Let's say we want him to spawn inside this house. So when you create your human warrior, let's say we want him to spawn up these stairs. Okay, so now you write .gps and you get a lot of information down here. Remember that. Open up your database and log in. Go down until you find a table called player create info. It's under the Arcemu database. The table is called player create info. Go to data. Okay, now you see a whole bunch of numbers here. We are only going to use race and class. The only race I can remember and the only class is 1-1. That's human warrior. I will post all of the numbers and stuff in the description. Okay, so what we do now is we minimize this so you can see both the windows, both this and this. So you find 1 and 1 or whatever class you want to change the location for, and you type in all the information. So for map ID 1, because it says 1 down here, zone ID 0, because it says 0 down here, and so on. So just let me type in this information and we'll go on. Okay, now for the Z coordinate we want to put 33.9 instead of 22. Oh sorry, 23 instead of 22, because else you will fall into the ground. Or if you have a slow computer, you will fall into the ground, and we don't want that to happen for anyone. So just click somewhere else, make sure it's safe, make sure everything is right. So if everything is right, just close this down. Now log out. Oops, I exited it, so I'll just start it again, sorry. Okay, now we have to you have to find your world, Arcemu world, and close it down. Then you will have to open it again. Just keep opening it till it starts right, and just wait for it to open. I'll just pause the width. Okay, so it's started. I'll log in again, and as you see, I have this hello character. Okay, so let's create a new human warrior. Let's call him I'm doing your mom. And then accept. Okay, Now when you enter your character, it should start at the GM Island in that house on the table. So let's check. Yep, it worked. Now when you create a human warrior, he or she starts at the upstairs on the GM Island where I wanted her to start. And as you see, I'm doing your mom. No, I'm not cheating or anything, if you thought so. So, thanks for watching. Just ask if you have any problems.